The agent went to close the door, and there was one that was sitting on the flight and was refusing even to move. Right now, I can press charges for you trespassing. You went
I'm not trespassing. I have a ticket.
All right.
I'm going home like everybody else.
Let's wait outside.
If I don't go home, nobody go home.
Miami International, July 2022. Denied at the gate, she walks onto the plane anyway. Her defense on camera, I paid for my ticket. A ticket, it turns out, is not what she thinks it is.
I'm sorry. I just walk in, like you guys. I walk in with you guys. For what I understood, I just rushed in. The agent went to close the door, and there was one that was sitting on the flight and was refusing even to move. Philippe, is Stephanie inside?
They stepped out already?
I was doing G14.
She's inside. She's inside?
She's inside the plane.
Let me just go in, because there was one that was refusing getting out.
Tell her to come outside. If she doesn't come out, then we deplane. We are going to deplane everybody. Okay. Right? That's the
Let the supervisor go and let him know.
But we have to listen because it's trespass after warning.
And if not, we have to deplane everybody?
Everybody.
Yes.
First we start with the person in front of us. First we start with the person in front.
What's he? Huh? She's gonna go in front.
Who's the person?
She's gonna.
Way in the back on the left. Thank you.
Right now, I can press charges for you trespassing. You went
I'm not trespassing. I have a ticket.
I just let you know right now, the police officers are here. We're going to ask you to voluntarily walk out of the plane. If not, we're going to ask everybody. We're going to ask. I understand, but you were not bored when we closed the door. You went through the door when there was no agent at the moment. Ma'am. So,
let's talk to you outside. Let's come outside.
Right now,
yeah.
If you don't get out right now,
okay, hold on.
Let me get everybody out.
Right.
Okay, we'll get everybody out. I board like everybody else, and I paid for my ticket.
All right, let's go to the jet bridge so we can talk.
What do you mean? No,
come over here.
To talk about.
All right.
I'm going home like everybody else.
Let's wait outside.
If I don't go home, nobody go home.
Yes, cool. Okay.
All right.
I never did nothing. I paid for my ticket like everybody else.
Ma'am, we need to talk to you. Let's go outside.
No, I don't have to talk to y'all.
Okay, you're gonna make it worse.
Y'all can send me a paper in the mail.
Okay?
Y'all can literally send me something in the mail. Whatever. I paid for the ticket. I paid for the ticket like everybody else.
Let's go. Everybody has to deplane.
After me. It's people that got on the plane after me.
We're gonna deplane.
There's people that got on after me.
Stay here with her.
Everybody else.
They're going to do charges against you for trespassing.
Yeah.
So can you
And guess what? I'm going to beat the case because I'm not trespassing.
Ladies and gentlemen, unfortunately, we're going to have to deplane everybody.
My name is. You should know if I was trespassing.
And wait in the boarding area.
Obviously, I want to take like everybody else. Ask the lady on the flight.
I say something to you.
There's nothing to say.
Will you listen to what I have to say now? Will you listen? Will you listen what I have to say?
Stand over here.
Make sure you get your belongings and make sure you have your boarding pass in your hands while we're in everybody. We will do this as soon as possible. All right?
Let's go.
I apologize for the delay and I apologize for the.
I paid for my ticket like everybody else.
Well, y'all come from that fast.
What's that?
Y'all come from that fast.
We're around. There's a lot of people here. You're after the board.
Get your ass off the plane.
Ma'am, don't instigate her, please. Guys, don't instigate her because then we got to deal with her.
They never refused me. I was already on the plane.
They're refusing you now.
Now after the fact, no. But that's after the fact. You can't do that after the fact. So no. Everybody going. We all going home late. No, I can't. Because they should have just took off.
Let's go. Let's do it fast. What are you guys waiting for? Let's go. Okay, let's go. Let's move.
My boarding pass is the same flight as everybody else. What do you mean? That's dumb as they just want to have an attitude because they're miserable. They're miserable with their life. There's nothing for you to say. What is there for you to say? Like I said, y'all want to make my life hard, make everybody else's life hard. I want to go home. I don't even live here. That's weird. Y'all weird. But y'all mad because y'all really can't do anything besides make everybody get off and everybody get back on. You gotta wait till everybody get off. New whole plane. It's cool. I already sent my dad the information. Yeah, everybody getting off. Y'all too. You can go.
Let's go. You go in front of me.
And she gonna go behind me. And she's going behind me. No, that's mine. Right. Clearly.
All right, let's go.
You're not going behind me, though.
Ma'am, let's go.
You can go, and I will go behind you.
Go ahead.
You're not walking behind me, period.
Ma'am, let's go.
I don't trust you. I don't trust. Yes, please record. Thank you.
I give you this.
My Instagram is. So send it to me, so I can send it to my daddy. That's your only bag, because they're definitely not walking behind me. Yeah, make sure y'all Instagram, Skype. Send me the video so I can send it to my dad. They already have my ID. I got on the plane.
We need your ID.
You don't need my ID. That's okay. You get on the plane like everybody else. That's illegal.
And I'm giving you a direct order to walk over there. Okay?
Don't make it worse.
They're making it worse for them. That's illegal. I didn't do shit. I have a ticket like everybody else.
Everybody here is out.
I have a ticket like everybody else. What do you mean?
3 separate layers of law converge on a commercial aircraft. First, federal aviation law. Under Title 49 of the United States Code, Section 44,902, subsection B, an air carrier may refuse transport to any passenger the carrier decides is, or might be, inimical to safety. The Second Circuit in Williams v. World Airlines established that such decisions are reviewed only for arbitrariness. A boarding pass, therefore, is not an entitlement. It is a conditional offer, revocable at the airline's discretion. Second, federal criminal law. Title 49, Section 46,504 makes assault or intimidation of a flight crew member a federal felony, carrying up to 20 years imprisonment. Threats to compel a captain to depart, if proven, squarely implicate this statute. Third, state trespass law. Under Florida statutes, Section 810.08, an aircraft qualifies as a conveyance. Once the carrier withdraws authorization and warns the occupant to depart, continued presence constitutes criminal trespass. Refusal to obey the subsequent lawful order of an officer adds liability under Florida statutes Section 843.02 for resisting without violence.
Can somebody record this? Can somebody record this? What are you doing?
Let go.
You cannot stop. What are you doing? Legal as fuck. Illegal as fuck. It is. Y'all not necessary. What the hell? I have a ticket for this flight, and y'all trying to take me off the flight.
It's no longer valid.
What do you mean it's not valid?
Because you're going to jail.
But everybody else is valid.
I'm not gonna. All right, we're gonna have to.
Yeah, hold on. Let's
How?
Relax. We're going to take your property.
I'm relaxed. You're
We're gonna take
grabbing
your
me.
property. You're not grabbing your property.
I'm relaxed. You're grabbing me. What do you mean?
Relax.
Because why is he
Calm
grabbing
down.
me and I'm
Calm
relaxed?
down. Calm
Like
down.
I said, he grabbing me. It's illegal as though it's cool because I don't mind suing nobody. I don't mind suing Miami police. That's why he's shaking his head. He over y'all. He's shaking his head. And I'm on camera at the airport. This illegal as I have a ticket. And y'all mad because I have literally the plate got stopped because I have a ticket. No, my
I'll get
stuff
you. I'll get you. What do you need?
She goes to jail for that.
Once you refuse to get off the airplane, that's trespassing.
Give me the info.
I will.
exit out.
They just sent my ticket and I was gonna wait.
Exit out.
With a regular, what the fuck? Where did I sit? The fuck? Make sure y'all
Right there.
fly Miami in your life. Make sure y'all already went through security. Yeah, I know. No, that's illegal. I just went through security. Listen, stay right there.
Stay right there.
Trying to beat me. Hey, they're trying to beat me. 2 Miami police. Y'all get sued. Y'all not gonna. But you should have. Why y'all didn't have the body cameras on? Why y'all didn't have body cameras on? Then y'all gonna suffocate me in a car.
You wanna go to the station?
Go to the station. I'll go with her. That's the key.
105 372.
Ain't nobody say nothing.
This way.
You don't have to grab the fucking.
Yes, I will grab this stuff. Because you're under arrest. You're under arrest.
The responding officers receive an A-. The constitutional analysis is straightforward. Under United States versus Watson, a warrantless arrest in a place accessible to officers, supported by probable cause and authorized by the possessor, satisfies the Fourth Amendment. Probable cause here was overdetermined. On use of force, Graham versus Connor, 1989, governs. The Supreme Court prescribes objective reasonableness, weighing severity of offense, immediate threat, and active resistance. The officers deployed only verbal commands and guided escort, the lowest rungs of the force continuum. No weapon was drawn. No strike was delivered. The tactical decision to deplane uninvolved passengers before initiating physical control reflects sound confined space doctrine. The grade is withheld from a full A only because a stray background remark fell beneath the verbal professionalism expected. The subject receives an F. The recurring assertion of entitlement based on ticket possession is legally incorrect under Section 44,902. Her sustained non-compliance converted a civil boarding dispute into multiple criminal offenses. Alleged threats against crew, if credited, expose her to federal prosecution, independent of any state charge. Accusations of excessive force voiced on camera are directly refuted by the same camera. Spirit Airlines personnel receive a B+. The refusal of boarding was lawful. The escalation to law enforcement rather than self-help was procedurally correct. The grade is held below an A because the initial jet bridge breach reflects a procedural gap in gate security, not individual fault.
The woman was arrested and faced a slew of charges, including disorderly conduct and destruction of aircraft. She was eventually sentenced to probation. She stated to the judge that she was wrong, but that the employees should have been nicer to her. Additionally, she had been arrested 2 years prior for something very similar, where she assaulted an employee at a fast food restaurant.
This wasn't improvised. Let's examine what the law authorizes and what it doesn't. 3 lessons emerge from this record. First, for travelers, a ticket is a contract, not a right of entry. Once refused, compliance and later remedy through the carrier's complaint process or civil court is the only lawful path. Second, for law enforcement, patience is not weakness. Clearing a cabin before initiating physical control costs minutes and saves liability. Third, for carriers, the front line of aviation security begins at the gate, not at the aircraft door. Procedural gaps at boarding invite precisely the incidents federal law was designed to prevent. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content on police court interactions.